Feel the wind, it howls through the trees, blowing secrets with the midnight breeze. Roaring flames light up the dark. In my chest there's a wildfire heart. Fearless steps on a trembling ground, echoing whispers making no sound. Moonlit paths where the brave ones start. Keep on chasing with the wildfire heart. Burning bright, won't fade away. Sparks ignite, we'll find our way. In this fight we won't depart, living with a wildfire heart. Shadows lurk, but we stand tall. Rise again if we ever fall, through the storm till the skies restart. Holding tight to a wildfire heart. Burning bright, won't fade away. Sparks ignite, we'll find our way. In this fight we won't depart, living with a wildfire heart. So let the flames guide our fate. Rush ahead before it's too late. Blazing trails right from the start, forever with a wildfire heart.